Hi, I'm Dr. Chinyerum Opuwari, a senior lecturer in anatomy at the University of Limpopo, and I've been lecturing now for about 7 years. And I studied human anatomy in my first degree, then went on to do my master's and my doctorate degree in medical biosciences, in which I majored in anatomy as well. So for one to be an academic in the field of human anatomy, you need to at least have an MSc in the field to be able to do that, or at least a closely related field. And the reason why I'm in this profession is just because I love to teach, I love to interact with people, I love to share knowledge with them, I love to hear their insights in that field as well. Because the more you interact with people, the more you gain insight. So that's just the reason, one of the main reasons why I am there. I feel like I need to contribute as well to the knowledge of people and also contribute in their fields or in the careers that they get to go in. Obviously, in this would be in the medical field. So in this context, human anatomy is very fascinating because it's more or less getting to appreciate how your body is structured and what makes this body or the structures of your body to function in the way they do, because the structures are aligned to their functions. So that is very interesting for me. And like I say to my students, especially when we look at the bodily structures from the external aspect, that one can use themselves as the model in that context. Like if you want to study the hand, somehow you can be able to demonstrate with yourself. So that makes it quite fascinating because you're not just learning it, you're learning more about you. And so I find that very interesting. And I also find it interesting in the fact that anatomy is quite embedded in most of the degrees in the medical field. So that makes us to be like one of the fundamental courses or degrees that one needs to have in the case of the medical field. And so the knowledge of the human body is very fundamental in the medical field, such that one can apply such knowledge in any of the areas of expertise as one goes or chooses their path with respect to the medical field. So I hope one of you would be able to come to anatomy and you get to learn more about the human body, and not just learn about it, but also be able to impart knowledge, to share your knowledge with others, and that way will make or will contribute greatly to the medical science or to the medical field. And I wish you guys all the best.